Time to go for another drive, y'all. Let's talk about some stuff. We got some serious stuff that we need to be talking about. Serious to some people, but still important. Let's get it. What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today I got another question. You know, actually I like just driving around answering these questions because people ask these questions. Yeah, what's up? Hey! This kid asked me, he's like, Rob, my parents absolutely hate the fact that I make music, or I want to rap or want to make music. You know what I'm saying? I've made videos on this before, like, you know, talk to your parents and tell them the benefits of it, okay? You're looking at the negatives, you're letting them see the negatives. You want to be a rapper, you want to make music, they probably don't condone it. Show them this channel, show them how I help you change your mindset, show them that there's a positive to it, that you're going to turn into a business, you're going to make money. You're not just thinking about, I'm going to be a rapper, gang banging. Like, that's not what it is, okay? But first of all, he said, look, I can't, my parents will not let me rap, they will not let me rap, I can't even record in my house. Easy way around this, you have to think outside the box. Okay, you can't record in your house. What are you complaining about? I get it, you can't record in your fucking house. So even better, find a friend or somebody else that wants to rap with you. You can both put money in together and buy studio equipment. Instead of you just having to buy $300 or $400 to get a decent setup to record your stuff, well, find a friend whose parents don't give a fuck about them recording in the house. A friend who hopefully has a basement. Now, I know not all states have basements, but hopefully a friend with a basement or a back room or something where y'all can feel comfortable working, and you can put your money in together. You're spending half as much money to get the same quality equipment, because look, now instead of spending $400, you only spend $200 to get the mic and the preamp and the computer and all that shit, right? Find that friend and you can and make a deal with them. Look, we're gonna come over, we're gonna work on music together. Plus you have an accountability partner. That person's like, I want to work on music, come over. And you're like, I want to work on music, I don't care if you feel like working on music, I'm coming over. You guys will get twice as much work done because you're both focusing on working on music and pushing each other, and again, spending half the money to get the studio set up. That is a way around this. Like, if your parents won't let you record in the house, who cares? Go to a friend's house. It's that easy. People always like looking for they're like excuses and reasons why they can't do something. It's like, these are simple workarounds, okay? And you know what? You know what's even better too is if your parents don't want you to, you know what you can do? Go make something great. Make a song for them. I know it sounds corny. Make a song for them or something about your life and let them know how you feel. Put the lyrics in the song. My parents won't let me do this. And then show them the song. It's gonna speak differently if you're actually good and you put it in the song to show them. You know what I'm saying? I don't think this is a problem for a lot of people, but for the people it was a problem for, this is what you do to get around that, okay? And the reason I'm not telling you don't go spend money on studio time. Because you spend money on studio time, you're wasting your money. You know what I'm saying? 20 to 50 bucks an hour. After 10 hours in the studio, you could have bought a microphone. What the fuck are you doing? Don't waste your money on studio time. Only time you're gonna spend money on studio time is if you're paying to get your song mixed. So you're paying for the environment and the mix engineer to mix your song. Now, I'm sure you want a super high quality song, but you don't need all that. You can do all that from your house, bro. You can do all that from your house. You can do all that from your house. We have the technology today. People can make a basic mix sound fantastic. So build that studio at your friend's house. Stop complaining. Don't worry about your parents. Do it behind their back. You're still a person. You still get to make your own decisions. It's not like I'm telling you go do drugs or smoke weed or go do some whatever that they would really not want you to do. You're making music. You're doing something that you care about. They're not going to be mad at you at the end of the day, really, if you're doing it's a hobby. It's better than 99% of other hobbies. So go build that studio and start building your fan base up. Make that freaking music. All you really need to do is make one mixtape at a time. You can do that in 2-3 weeks if you're really hustling on it. So go fucking do it. Stop making excuses. I don't care if your parents want you to do it or not. That's not nobody can hold you back but you. There's always a way around something. Always a way around something. You just gotta think outside the box. That's it. I'll see y'all again probably tomorrow with another video, because I'm on this shit. I'm about to shoot a gang of videos. We're gonna get this shit going. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?